For some reason, I'm feeling like Arnold Schwarzenegger in Predator. No. I feel like Arnold Schwarzenegger in Commando. John, you know the ones. Man's getting ready to do this airlift thing. I'm not looking forward to it, but at the same time, I'm stoked, bruv. It's too early for this stuff. 8 o'clock, no joke. The other ones, super excited. But there's no expression on his face. Mad. Anyway, this is the deal. This is what's been going down. I'm not gonna lie, mad struggling. This airlift, yeah. This is patches. This is mad patches on my head. This airlift has been mental. Not bad, but it's been a mad one, man. But your boy Street Mods actually messed up. Let me show you. Look at this. So basically, can't get some proper light. So basically, this hole isn't close enough, and it's gonna put too much pressure on these fittings if I was to use one of the normal hoses. So it's gonna put too much pressure on that. So I have to make aluminium ones to go in there, like with more of a bend, so it puts less pressure on these. But I really didn't want to go that route, man. So just more time. So that's what I mean about your boy messing up. That's kind of like a, you know, you sometimes you gotta think. You really have to think when you're doing these things. But I'm constantly kind of rushing because I don't have much time. Really and truly, if I'm honest with you, the whole of this bar needed to come out. The whole board should have come out, and I should have done it properly on there, but I don't have the time and I don't have the space. So now I'm going to get down to quickly making up these pipes quickly. It doesn't matter how they look, because this is going to be in front, hopefully. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly try and make it up and see what it looks like afterwards. I didn't do this hole far enough, and these I have to do in aluminium, because if I use the normal tubing, it's going to put too much of a bend on these fittings. So now I've got to go this route and customize the aluminium hoses, try and make them look as nice as possible. That's what happens when you mess up. So I actually managed to pull it off. Let's just hope that it holds, man, because I didn't really want to use pipe to do it. But that's it. Everything's more or less straight in that. Go back to the link in my description below if you want to see how to do tube bending, quick tube bending. I'm telling you, man, it makes things so much easy. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm going to try and finish this up. I really also want to test for leaks and that. Oh man, it's been a headache. It's been a headache. I'm telling you. Don't know why, it's just been a headache, because suspension on this is quick and easy on this. Boy, bags. The trouble you go through when you want to bag your ting. Bag your ting, you know. So now, it's just about deciding where to put the controller. There, what about here? You think the controller there? I'm not too keen of it being in your face. What about the controller here somewhere? What about here somewhere? Or here somewhere? Here will be sick. Yeah, on the side will be sick. That'll be right, I guess. On the side here, but that's still kind of in your face, isn't it? So, what about here? The only thing about that is this. I was thinking about trying to make a mechanism that comes out of here. Like, for watching too much films, isn't it? Okay. The last place I was thinking was trying to get a bracket and put it here. Trying to put it here somehow. Like a bracket, and put it there. Either there or on the side here. One of the two. or on the side here, maybe on the side hidden still. I think you can get a bracket for this. It comes with, I think I saw it, the Mark 6. The Mark 6 Golf comes with a bracket for the side. May have to see if I can fabricate that, but at the moment just running the leads, the harness bit, the connector bit up underneath this here. Mad lights going on. Yeah, look like you have 60 seconds to comply. Mad teeth. That's mad. Anyway, this light here is a Light Pro. So yeah, it's kind of helping. It's the Pro version. It's alright. It's alright. It lights up quite good. So I ran the lead under here because I've got 3 options. I can put it here, like I said. I could put it here on the side, or if I just want to just plug it up there, I can just plug it up there. So I've got 3 options if it's running underneath here. And all those wires I'm going to clean up afterwards. That's for the, yeah, anyway, yeah. So let's see, yeah. First of all, let's plug the controller. If I can hear a leak. So I had to run the car. It's got 55 PSI. At this stage, the exhaust is way louder. The exhaust is way louder than the both compressors. Oh, there's only one compressor. Okay. Whoa! The compressors get mad hot, boy. No. Thinking that this might be the right height. Oh, I think I can go a touch lower. I think I can go a touch lower than that. That's that. That's my drive height. What the coilovers was that? That's a problem, not touch lower. I think this is the perfect ride height. think that's it. I think we finally have it. So I've set all the presets, which I'm happy about. Everything's going quite smooth. I'm happy with it. I just need to drive it and see how it feels. I'm not happy that the front ones, both the front suspensions, are at 60 psi. So I'm not sure how it's going to ride on 60 psi. I would have liked it more like on the 50s, as recommended, I think. We've got to see after we drive it, man. We've got to see after we drive it. Also, firstly, check for leaks. Check for more leaks, to see what more leaks. So let's see what happens. But this is the basic ride height. Literally say that this build killed me. Not in terms of fitting the shocks and fitting the suspension. That part is what it is, that part. But the part that's a killer is the constant adjusting, the off and on with the suspension, the off and the checking of the hoses, the checking for leaks, the flipping. The off and on with the wheels, the jacking up the wheels, seeing how high it is. It's literally non-stop and constant adjusting, which is the killer. But I'm like 90%. I'm like 90% done. I had a leak. I had a few leaks actually, but it wasn't nothing major. I still need to check underneath for leaks, but the top side seems like it's okay in terms of leaks. I just need to tighten up some stuff. Like tighten up some of the compression fittings and push in some of the push lock fittings. So that side of things. So when you heard that hissing when I first started, that was a leak. That was a big boy leak. But that was just one of the push lock fittings that needs to be pushed in. So this is the ride height I'm gonna leave it at, just for the next couple of days, so I can see if there's any leaks anywhere. I'm gonna leave it all the way up to the top, raised all the way up to the top. That's just so we can see if there's any leaks anywhere. It's the best way, one of the best ways to tell. And then we can take it from there. But that's it. This is it for the airlift install. Like I said, the suspension side of things is easy. It's just all the adjusting and everything, and the checking and the adjusting. Anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. I know this is not everyone's type of thing, but I'm coming out with some more content. So stay tuned. It's going to be boom. Bless.